Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to add and use the news feature in your app. Log in your account and go to your business dashboard. Next, click on Manage App and you'll be redirected to the Overview page. Under the Edit, Test, and Go Live section, click on Edit. In your Edit App section, go to the menu on the top left and click on Add Feature. In this slide-out menu, click on View All to see the list of features. Search for the News feature and click on Add Feature to add it to your app. You will now see the news feature listed in the My Future section. When you hover over the feature, you will see multiple options like hide the feature, edit and customize the feature, and delete the feature. For more options, click on the keybind menu on the right and explore the options to move the feature up, down, top, bottom, or to another folder. Let's click on the edit and customize feature option to see how we can edit the feature further. Here in the Edit Feature section, you will see all the options you can explore and start using the feature in your app. You can change the page name here. Click on the Change Icons section and this window will open up. Click on Select Icon, where you will see multiple options for icons. You can further choose to see only solid and outline options. In the Select Image section, you will see loads of options for images that can be used as icons for your news feature. You can also upload a custom icon for Apple, Android, and website to make your app icon stand out. In the Content section, click on the Add News button to reach the Manage News section. In the left slide-out menu, you will see other options like General Settings, Language Settings, and Import-Export Listing sections. In the Manage News section, click on Add Category button. You can add the category's name on the Add New Category page. Then decide whether you want to show it on the home page, the status of the category, and whether you want to sort news in the category by date by checking the boxes next to these options. Click Save and the new category will be added. This new category will be visible on the Manage News page with the details like category name and the number of listings or feeds in the category. Click on the ellipsis button for more options for updating the category, making it active or inactive, managing news, or deleting the category. Click on Manage News to add new listings or new news feeds to the category. Click on Add Listing and add details of the listing like heading, place, and news date before adding the full story in the respected fields. Then you can choose to schedule a post, change the news status, lock it, or make it a future story. Remember that the future story is only applicable to PWA, Progressive Web App. Check the box next to the Schedule Post option to choose a date and time to publish the news story. Change the status of the news story by checking this box next to the status. You can choose to lock the story by clicking this checkbox and make it a future news story by checking this box. You also have the option to add images, YouTube links, or PDFs to your story. You can click on Add Images in the Image tab. To add relevant images in the YouTube tab, you can add the watch, share, or embedded URL to the video you want to add your news story. In the Upload PDF tab, you can upload the PDF directly by clicking the Add Documents button, or enter the URL for the PDF under the Add PDF URL tab. Click Save to add the news. And the listings will show up here with all of the details, like name, full story, date, and status of the news story. You can find more options like edit, active, inactive, comment, and delete by clicking on the ellipsis button. Click on Manage News to see the listings being reflective here. In the General Settings section, you have multiple options and you can choose to share listings, send a notification to the admin when a user comments on the article, allow comments, auto-approve comments, sort categories alphabetically, and send notifications. You can simply toggle the switch next to the setting you want to change. You can view or copy the newsfeed URL here. Now go to the Language Settings section and check whether you want to add or edit any field. In the Import-Export Listing section, you have the options to upload CSV files, export CSV files, or export Excel files. Click Go Back to reach the Edit Feature page. Now that we are done with the Content section, let's move to the Design section. In the Page Style and Color Scheme section, you can see the multiple background image options provided by our platform. Choose a solid color or upload a custom image to be used as the app background. You can choose to use the same image for both portrait and landscape modes or use different ones. You can choose the right layout from here. Scroll down and you will see page elements, color, font size, and indent settings. You can also choose to hide or show the border or hide or show the image with the toggle button. Under the navigation settings, you can enable or disable the back navigation button in the header with the toggle button next to it. Next, go to the in-app settings. Here you can enable or disable in-app for your app with the simple toggle action. Here you can add the Android and iOS payment credentials. You can also find relevant tutorials for the process by clicking here. Scroll down and add your Android payment receipt credentials. You can choose to use these credentials as global credentials. All the edits and changes will be saved automatically, but you can also save them manually. As soon as you click publish, you will be able to see all the changes immediately.